Shukor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Katanat Kakuat Kakya Kajela ke Dr. Maisel Ampareen Lingdo mentakasngi ke arpunyo tarik nailur ajar pesau kala plia ke first referral unit hamau plang community health center ke badi kejaka sumar nak benta ki khelung badang shukha ki badan kam ke jing sumar ke bakirki kumjuru nak benta kiwe ki jing sumar habakran hakan kasngi ke Dr. Maisel Ampareen Lingdo kala banjur ke jinon kam ban shanya ya ki hospital Sorkar dak ba wengno ya ke jingmut ba ki hospital Sorkar ki long ki bapo Menteri Kalaban Juru ya kathong jong Sorkar ban a ya kajing sumar ke babaha syaki ying kisam jong kinong shong shnong hakinong kendong kalong shu balanang pen bha ya kajinon kam hapo kamau plang CHC hak bala yo ban thung ya sangut ki officer ka kot ka khya uwe u doktor lai ngut ki doktor banyat bat uwe u doktor Ayush kani ka jaka sumar menta ka ai life khanai tali ki ja jing sumar ka bala penduna ya kajinon kam jong kinong shong shnong ban let shilong Menteri kala kenturu ikinong shnong bakin register ne pendrung kerteng nyalade hak Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS bat ban penyaso ye adhar khanang ban yo ye kajing sumar kala penshlo de kajing persyanglang ban penlong ye kamau plang CHC kum kajaka sumar ke babahatam kala ajing mudru ikinong shnong bakin lej buat jing sumar mardor syakati kajaka sumar ke badan hajar hakane gasngi le don ringkat uba MB kurba MLA bat kiwe kiru pau kman
systematic issues and infrastructure issues, and so we had to solve one by one, and we had solved a lot of them. We still have a long way to go, but very important is that we have reduced our maternal deaths by more than 50% in the last 5 years. And one of the effort which we analyzed maternal deaths is that when mothers pregnant women, there is 35% chance that even a normal pregnant woman during labor can get into some complications. That is a study, which means that she will require a FRU like this to immediately attend and move to that. And we were losing mothers in transit. Close to 30% of our maternal deaths were in transit, which means they referred between them to there. There is a point because of the delay in referrals. To reduce that, we wanted to ensure that we keep these referral units much closer to the communities. And as of that time, not even a single CHC has FRU. As of now, Zora is conducting surgeries, but we have 26 such CHCs in the state, but none of them are doing surgeries. So we made a plan. But surgery is not only about infrastructure, it's also about HR, manpower. So we were thinking, how do we get so many specialists? It's not very easy to get specialists. So we tied up with Tamil Nadu government. We signed an MOU to train medical officers in 3 important skills, which is comprehensive obstetric care, emergency obstetric care, life-saving anesthetic skills, and ultrasound. I'm very happy to say that almost 100 medical officers from Meghalaya have got trained, and the last 3rd batch is going on right now. And we have established ultrasound, which is very important to find out whether a pregnant mother is having any complications much before her delivery, child has any complications. 95% of our pregnant mothers are not even getting one ultrasound during their pregnancy. That was the situation 1.5 years ago. We reduced that now to about 70-75%, but we have to go that every pregnant mother should get at least one ultrasound during their, particularly the 2nd trimester. It's very, very important to have that. So that systematic effort has culminated into today's situation of opening FRUs. I'm also very glad to tell you that this is one of the 5 first referral units which has been recently completed: Boiringbom, Peninsula, Ranikor, Maflang, and Resubal Para. But we are in the journey to complete all the 26. We have had constant support from our Honorable Chief Minister, Madam Health Minister, Chief Secretary, constantly to ensure that we deliver the quality of care closest to the community. And I'm very happy that our Madam and Honorable MLA and our Chief Secretary sir are there with us today to see and to ensure that this thing. We also, it's not only about creating infrastructure, we also activated the earliest the staff, necessary staff. We required a lot of nurses to activate this team. So additional nurses have been hired, people have been posted, and our Honorable Minister also was there in Tamil Nadu also a year back when we did first batch. We did felicitations for them when they completed their course. So the complete aspect of HR, training, infrastructure, equipments has been done. And Maflang has been performing very well, otherwise under the able leadership of Dr. Lindo and other all medical officers who are there. I request them to continue to keep up the performance. We should.
And that has helped run the facilities better. Setting up an FRU is a paradigm shift actually, in the sense that it is a shift from quantity to quality. What we need now is quality healthcare, not only quantity. Having an infrastructure without proper functioning, without proper care being taken by the personnel is not complete. You have to have proper care, proper functioning, and this setting up an FRU is a very important step because I can see that it is a shift from quantity to quality. If all the CHCs have a facility like this, which is in the plan, I'm very sure of only one thing, that your IMR and MMR will be below national average. Today it's still above. In spite of all the efforts, it's still above the national average. It will surely be below the national average very soon. In fact, in about, I can see it happening in about 24 months. So let the focus be on this, quality healthcare, shifting from quantity to quality, as I said, and I'm sure that we will see additional fruits, not only today's fruit in Maflang, but in addition in other facilities as well. Now for Maflang, we have to understand that this is an important facility that the locals need to use. Please, for small things like a sneeze, don't go to Shillong. By going to Shillong, you'll take one vehicle, one ambulance, relatives will come with another vehicle, 3-4 vehicles, you'll go to a private hospital, you'll spend so much money, you'll cause traffic jam. It's annoying, Please use this facility. 6 doctors are here, being led very ably by Dr. Lindo, who's been here for about 8 years now. He's also a veteran. I hope that you will beat Dr. Lindo Senior's record, which I think he was here for a very, very long time, I remember. And so it's important that people of this area and also the catchment around, challenging areas. You see, if you go down on this Mausandram road, you have places like Kheiñ and Lingyong, all these areas. You travel on the road, you find only one thing: small kids. So many of them playing on the roadside and all that. What does it mean? It means that there is no proper spacing. So what is required to be done? So all of you health facilitators, health workers, all that will really have to rev it up. Please conduct more outreach programs. Go to the villages. Go to the different localities and conduct more outreach programs. It is very, very important, which is part of your MCH mandate. Therefore, I request all the workers to come together, work hard. God will really bless you. You are dealing with the most sensitive part of the population, the poor. And if you serve the poor, I'm sure, if you are a believer, you'll say that God will help you. If you are not, you'll say karma will come back and serve you. So therefore, I request all of you to please put your head and your heart together to serve the poor. With these few words,
one more thing I was just like to recall what Donald was saying, to help the poor. So not only the poor, please, for the handicapped also. Handicap also require free treatment. Because I speak in this, recently, one handicap was told to go away from here because she didn't have money to pay for the blood test. This is very sad. Please take care of the handicap. I would request the government not to take any money from the handicapped people, With this word, I close my speech. Thank you.
Kadang cakap, kadang kajing beniau teng ba ki cakap ai sumar jong ke Sorkar kidai ki third class, kidai ki bangindon Jingshaniah, ni kuat ya pi ki nong song penkelai ya kata kajing pun kacang kam dai ke basisha, kam dai ke Jingshisha ba kini kidai ki cakap hakaba don mano menyaram ya pi, pilayo snow por bukren seram tu bujrong mo uang ba ngikwa banpen baki nong snong kiyo ya ka sumar ka papit ka pabiang kam jan na kayeng ka snong ka bagisan ka FRU ka de ka jaka ka balada don kino ki jing ki jirwat ha ka jing pang jong ki nong snong ki wan shwa hang ni shwa ban ya belut shalom kumbaong ichi sakit kam don jingmut ini ban pendon ya gani kejaka lada ki nong song snong daladi shwa kim wan ban kmi ban pet ya ka jing sumar ka bangila ban yo hakali ka center nakal yang ka Sorkar nila ong ya pi ba hang ni nila pon ya ki doktor real ngot ki doktor pidon sangot ki medical officers i junior specialist MD medicine ibanga tebit ha ka jing puli ya ka jing kmi jing pet jong ka god ka kya ya ki nong snong ki badon na ka jing pang ni don ru lai ngot ki dental surgeons hangi Ngidon ru i ayush doctor bonsin kam tam lele gitu ki bela don ki chronic diseases ki jingpang ki bela long chronic ban ai de ki allopathic medicines kam long ka bagyang ngila don ru ya kata ka specialty ka bangi ong ka ayush center ka jaka ka papila panyo ki dawai ki baladep test bat baladep peni bagila banyaram ya kini ki bapang ya ki kum kita ki jajing pang kam tam lele ki klung bat ki balasan balahe hang ni pidon ka x-ray machine pidon ka USG pidon ka labor room pidon ka diagnostic services center hang ni pinduk tip hado lai po kundai teli ki jat tes ya kasnam la panle tengkat ki nong song snong jungi ki let shalong banyo tang ye be tes ibere song ha mo pi ki besong ha kini ki jaka tip ya kami bahang ni menta ni don ya kini ki lan ai jing sumai hang ni ngakwa panyethu ipi ba labyang lut kita ki doktor ki bala pet ya ka jingpang ka jongfi nang ne pan lada omna ban suma sabata e pi pan shalo pinle ban yo pan ya ka jing sumar ka bakham halor raidon ka jing yesu thu bakla hang ne mo ko ong ngim pediang ya ki priu ki pedon kajing anna hakat khotme kalong ka babakla yo let's say don kajing Donkam jong inong pang ban pha pet kham bnya ya ka khmat namar ide ibamla ban yo I na ka benta ka ta kajing pang ngi pha pat ipi shakawai pat ka jaka hakaba ki bon pat ki doktor ki bapet ya ka khmat ngim dei bandon ka ta kajing sko ban be yenu tangbat tengkan kane ke institute haba kamla ban khmi ya ka jingpang ka jongphi kin ong ye fi bat kin ai fi ya ka referral ka babyang bapin lek pan shakaway ka jaka ai sumar ngasngo ba hang ni pin pet lut ya kini ginong pang baro bat kane ka jaka kalabyang ngatharai baro ni khmi ni pet ya ka the ka mairang karukom tray ke hospital juni hamairang bat ngakwa banyu I ngatrang banyu I baka mo lang ru kanday sakaway pat kacaka ban ay jing sumar ya ginong pang kijogi ka MHIS ka pihap bandan ya kasmart ka pihap ban register ya ka adahar ngimla le namar ya gini kilan ban yarap ya ginong pang bagiyo ya kata kasumar kabaklem ay pisa hap ban pendet ya kikendon jong ko Sorkar kami kadi ka Sorkar kami kabaali kadi kalan bat ngi nakaliang jong ka Sorkar jelang lemba ka jingkre shitom lot jong baro kini ki officers ki jongi ngi kmi pat sakak baha nakaliang jong ka jelang ban ngi yaram ban ai ya kata ka jingsuman kat bala kabaklem siu pisah imat day kataru ka dawbat baki nong snong ki ong way bom siu pisah emat jemre kaladon kata ka jingmut ka capin ka jongi bakat penut hi kabay dawai iman don jingsu myo jing kia tingi kum kajat penriuru ngide ban ban hang ni ru kadon kata ka bangi ong ka village health council mapi ki nong snong pidon laki jong ki leaders haki dorban haki jakashong ki jongpi Toma P Village Health Council members, shifty ya kanika kam, banten sa priang lem ya kata kajing Donkam, jong ki padba ban Jingshaniah yala kajong kajaka ay suman, bunse ngikloy ban condemn, ya kabab ya ka government institute, kalong ko babakla sibon, ngakentu ya fi, bapinum don kata kajing sngo. Kibaduk kibasuk nong lay kibaduk kibasuk mday tang kibaduk kibasuk teng habawan ban kajing pang bat pidon kamban leg bran siya kajing ay suman toma pigi barus paru 1 month ya kajing syakri jong kaniga center kat papinda syong ha kakaliban poy siya ki hospital ki bapauna mas nongba shalom yo tukut no kamensi 1 hang ni 1 pen maphi ki batray hang ni to yai tray shito klem maphi mantoy yu gitki machine katto ngangatib ba ki staff jumi ki long ki belong so dedicated kaching ai ba kaching len ladi bon se nga juyo sngo ye ki nos ki doktor ba ki ong madam hayeng la jong ngamyo shu on pen namar balay malang IT yala di men pat mensim ban syakri ha kaniga center that singim ju ong ko blay happy kaniga tigas ni bungin ai ko blay happy paro ki health focus what you don kata ka jingting tengkat kanyo tho yapi upat pa usay kam nyon hi yapi yanga namang hide ko Sorkar namang ki expect palat nangi compare tengkat kumo ongi MLA la bandon kata kajing sutu bakla hanure balak be yang rei pinalet siya private hospital pinumnot tang pansaham ro mapiting bahakata kacakayo siya be rei pinawan ha hospital la jongpat piale mon kat numut iban sumar higini ki jaka bala pen itana la pen bahakata ni kajing ya biak, kajing ya taksun, kajing ya violin, ya rung kat pamon, dalakang hospital ruang emple ngan let bed. Wak ban rung siya do liba rung udah siya. Balay, pisngong try ba kadai kajaka sumar lajong. Tinray haba ayo pi kita ka privilege wat condemn ini. To kira ya kani ka kubon. Bangi ngiwan ong ban syakri yaladi. Ngiwan ban syakri ya kabit kapiang juga imlang kasalam. Song tanat cibon bi doktor barim ru idang donan ni. Doktor ngatharai ka ipi mo. Snowba. Makasni ka bakamen liling di bagran tang ni kam di bawah. Dede. Emang ini kita ki healthcare facilitators jumi. Sangat Kadai ke Jingshaniah balik segi hak syong mai. Lek kumno. Pat don pisah. Lek si membiang ke cakap. Ngini syong ini kerana kata. Si hajar mu bopi si resi ke jing jong pi mo pi barok iba syong lai. Ngin persyang menteng malam ya ke cakap syong cakap sa jong pi nang niru. Ai por ya ke Sorkar. Ni nang dai ke jelah kepadam kena. Sampu senang ngimpat dai ki balak temen kum kibi ki states. Ha kibi ki states village kibi cakap not is lele isn't it? Iman dai bar bangin julek syano ni syong tang asnong lajong ni suya mudur ba syawai lele telah ka benang sudah. Kam dai ke Jingshaniah. Nakaliang ke Sorkar. Ngin durin banwan lam ya ke jing sumar ke biang tam na ka bentar hinok sonsno. Kani gede gesni ka bangi pelat patba. Ni pelat patba mene i secretary ni lang ba teng khan pang kadok nur habayu i bagi longkumi bagi kanung ki klang no. Teng khan ki kemiru kimtip bagi dong ka problem hakapor bagi arngai. Teng khan ki kemiru kim space ki kon ki yo kon kaka kamen kampat klan ban yo yang si bi klo regila armet yang Donkam lele ni dei ru kejat penriu ko bangnen ka bau play uai ni ikon ngin pediang ni ikon rengi dei ban pikir paru ya ka kwat ka phia jong kemi jong ki khlong ki badon hayen ki khlong ki badang Donkam ya ka jingkmi jingpe jong ki kemi ban ngaken tu ya ki paru ngadang ya ki doktor joni bahakapor bakakon iklong kekikmi tegon siya ikikpa banwan bakin smutho ya kajing kapakilong maybe siya invite yaki kumbale kita ki foreign countries compulsory upaw de bandon banyak to let's say kinda yaki jing pangisyan kandon kata kajing ya smutho lang balay nung keren ya kata hak keren Bat ngada kentu ya piki nong trei jong kami ke center. To trei shitong. Trei minot. Wanum ailat ya kipat pa pakindu Jingshaniah api lang. Namalada hangni kakali kani ke Jakarta, ke Jakarta Sumar. Kinom jiro ke Sorkar kamlai. Ngai kubleiru ya baro kini ki nong trei hangni pe. Kapa kadau ba bangi judo ya kitwe hakapor bakakon kalong ba ngimdon kata ka blood storage unit snop ha wadu jingkermen mentang ngin pet bakataru kalong operational no ngidei bandon kasnam hajan ngidei ban pet manu ba ay snam por bapang kibahayeng bakum ta terte ngasngo ba hangni Pidon kamru ya ita specialist gynecologist ngidang wa ya ki gynecologist kiban kloy ban wan trei hakale jaka ota in one join no tinga kermen ba indara wan gyniru in trei shitom mampet bakani ke jaka kalong ke jaka ai sumar kabapit kababiang tam nakabenta jongpi kinong song ki syakri jofi bangin syakri tak hado bayo ya kata kekabuban syakri yafi berkumboong chief secretary jomi ngin kmi ngin pet bakum kini ki centers ngila ban ai ha baro ki CECs ngin pet ba ngin ban klan ye kini ki jaka ai sumar but shwa pangan shon Dr. Lindo kidai ukur ujat jong di dokter Ampareen dokter Lindo di tangin ya treshi tom dokter smuthu bateng bon gijing tang habo pidon gijing wat kun haladi wat yangi DHS joint director DHS berkhot dia manager additional dia manager ibadanang ni Kiba tray shitom ki prima yoi. Tong ni tray lang. Bantay ya kaneka center haka jing kmi jing pet jong i MLA. Ki MDC i MLA berim jong i Kennedy. One banya join hands lang haka neka venture jong i bangin pet. Bakane ka jaka kanong ka jaka kaba ipo ipeng kaba ai jing kermen ni ginong song bat kaba ai jing im. Kaban ri kendong i kicing im ki bawan temai bat i ki kemi ki bara i kita kicing im ki ban penkrau yang kajat penriu jumi